everyone, and welcome into the first edition of the Florida High School 77 Association's Film Room. I'm Trent Osborne, correspondent for the FHS 7B7A, and tonight we're joined by the head coach of the Nature Coast Sharks, Coach Rob Kazmier. Coach, thank you for coming on tonight.
I really appreciate the opportunity, man. I'm honored to be the first one here, and I'm proud to represent my program and my kids.
Well, we're glad you came on. One of the reasons we reached out is because you have a plethora of talent on the roster for us to choose from. It was kind of hard to pick and just narrow it down to just three for the show, but I think we have three picked out that we feel deserve to be highlighted in this spot here tonight.
Yes, sir. You can't go wrong with what we got coming back, man. We're loaded up, and we're really excited about the state of the program.
Yes, sir, Coach. And next up, we're going to be talking about the class of 2026 offensive tackle, Edward Lewis. What jumps out to you about him as a prospect?
I know anybody who sees a prospect sheet like you guys did, you see it, the sophomore is 6'6", 330, you're going to want to know more. But I mean, he's gifted with the size, man. You can't coach size. He's got it. He came to us actually this summer, and he put the work in, and he was a really big addition for us in more ways than one, obviously. But he's a phenomenal run blocker. We're working on developing his foot speed and his agility. Obviously, with that size at a youthful age, he needs work on that. But he jumped right into wrestling. He's doing that now. So the work ethic's there, the drive is there, and the sky is the limit for him.
Coach, you were right that he sticks out from an on-paper perspective, but the footage definitely lives up to the hype as well. What sticks out to you from a coach's perspective?
As you can see there, man, I mentioned his run blocking. That first clip, he just dominates somebody. Here he is up against Elias from Hudson, Missouri signee. He down blocks him there, gets his under his pads. For a 6'6" kid, when he's getting his pad level right and running his feet, man, and he's gonna do that every time. Here he is yet again. He's a strong kid for his size, for a young guy. He's wrestling right now, like I had mentioned. Pass blocking wise, he's super capable. We just didn't pass as much as we expected to this year. Perfect timing for this clip here. Huge frame, long legs, long arms. He's your offensive tackle body, obviously. But we're gonna keep him in the weight room, keep him getting stronger, quicker. He's there. I mean, people just need to start dropping offers because he's gonna have the whole country after him.
Yeah, incredibly impressive. You mentioned that he was working on his foot speed and his flexibility. What would that add to his game as an offensive tackle? I mean,
it's going to take him to the next level because young guys in general at every level need to be working on that stuff. But the fact that he took it to heart, that's something that we told him this season that he needed to work on as soon as the season was over, and he's dove straight into it. But it's just going to help him refine his game, be able to make every single block. It's going to help him on the edge when he isolated up against a quicker defensive end. It's going to just help him round out his game and make him a very polished product. And he's not afraid to work. So that's huge. So it's going to happen. There's no doubt in my mind. And we've had some big time offensive linemen here in the past. Christian Pellage played at South Carolina, but we haven't had anybody with this size at this age. So we're pretty excited about what his future holds, and he's on his way.
That'll wrap things up here for this edition of the Florida High School 77 Association's Film Room. Coach Kazmier, thank you so much again for coming on and helping us kick this thing off. If you would like to follow any of the great athletes we've talked to here today, or any of the other phenomenal athletes that Nature Coast has on their roster, you can follow them on Twitter at NatureCoastFB. For the FHS 7B7A, I'm Trent Osborne.